So if you remember from our Ladybug tutorials, we already know how to import or open a EPV map or download weather data. So I've already copied the location data for Lisboa, and now we have it already. The next thing as we do, if you remember from the previous videos, maybe I can push this down a bit, have it here, is to grab the analyze geometry, incident radiation, and we need to create solar, like sky, cumulative sky matrix, right? And how we do that? We need the north. Let's say we have the north as our north, like this direction, that's fine. And for location and radiation information, we have to import our EPV map, sorry, EPV file. So putting the location in, direct normal radiation, diffuse radiation, and we need to put OIS for this guy here. But one thing to be careful here, if we want to have this like optimized location, what we probably want to have is to have like the beneficial or good sun or bad sun, right? What do I mean by good sun and bad sun? Good sun is the sun that we can use and harvesting energy during the winter time, and bad sun is the one that we want to avoid in summertime, right? So that's why we need to create different sky matrices, okay, for us to understand which is good and which is bad in total. So we'll be running these two sky matrices, right? So if you create a matrix on the OIS, let's say LB analysis period, and this analysis period is going to be like start month. Let's say let's start with the bad sun or harmful sun, and how we do that. So let's start with the, like, again with the bad sun, which is something to avoid in summer. So let's start with 6th month, which is our month of June, till 8th month, month 8, and month 31st as an end day. Okay, and the rest we can say, okay, this is going to be our OIS, and this is going to be our sky matrix for this guy. And this is the bad sun, right? So I can say group this and put a scribble bad sun, or let's say harmful sun. Okay, and add this to group. What I'll be doing, I'll be copying this and pasting this, but before I do that, what I'll be doing, I'll be also grabbing these guys here. Like, this is my geometry to be analyzed. My context is going to be my context VREPs. Set multiple VREP and select objects. And these are going to be my context, right? And the grid size, let's start with something like 5 so that we see it. Okay, and offset distance is going to be 0.1, irradiance, blah blah blah, we don't need that, and we can put a toggle, Ladybug false toggle to this one. Okay, this is the harmful sun. And if I copy this and paste it down for the beneficial sun, what I need to do is I need to create in between. So it can start with like month 9 till month 5. And we can see this here, I guess dates like September to May, right? May not be a good option because, yeah, let's do it 10 to April. Okay. Okay, this is nice. So if we run this, oh, by the way, yeah, if we run this analysis now, and maybe I can preview this colors off as well. And just maybe be a wireframe to this one so that we only have the like outlines of this one. And maybe we can preview this with, I don't know, maybe white. And then here. And let's run the first one. Like, let's say this is the harmful sun. So when I run this analysis, what I'm seeing here is legend parameters. So okay, maybe what I can do here just to be able to read the values in a good way. Set object display mode is, let's say, wireframe. Okay, so this is a bit better. 5 is too big, by the way, so I can put the 5 here, and maybe I can put it 2, and then let's see how fast it's gonna be running. I mean, it's still good. Let's put 1 and then see. 1 is a bit slow, but probably a bit further detailed, right? Exactly. So this is the harmful sun that we want to have. So this is going to be that one. And the second one that I want to run is the, what I can do here is to maybe preview this off for a second and preview this on. And this is the sun that I need, right? Because I want to have this sun and move it along to increase the amount of the sun that or sun energy that I'm receiving here. But obviously we are not like comparing anything here. But if we do so, then we would have to do a lot of stuff. But you see, if we check the totals, like this is this amount and this is this amount, so it's like the total energies that we are having here. So the next thing that I'll be doing is to provide sort of the optimization approach for Ladybug to and Galapagos to make sure our parameters are moving around to maximize the benefit of the sun energy. So stay tuned for the next one.